video here at Ancient Iteration World Headquarters. As you can see, it is now bare frame. With some help from my dad. He came and helped me today get it all the rest of it, all the electrical gone. And we pulled the motor. It's right there, the motor. And the fuel tank and all the radiator hoses and all that good stuff. He helped me today and came and did all that. Next thing we're going to do is all the tape marks here. Everything that's got tape on it is something that has to be fixed and redone. So we're taking the frame up to Greenville, Illinois to get some of that stuff done. Taking it up to another race shop, fabrication shop, or metal shop, whatever you want to call it, to get that stuff done. And then probably when the frame is off, getting that stuff done, we might work on this car some. I know it's not really much left we got to do or anything at all. But anyways, that's going to be it for this one. Feel free to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you feel like it, go check out the other videos on the channel and maybe the YouTube shorts. There's a little bit of footage from today's work on the YouTube short. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. And goodbye.